Hey everyone, my name is Namisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am a cabin crew and I work with an Indian airline. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you for all the love that I got for my first YouTube video. That was so unexpected, which motivated me to make the second one, and I had to because you guys really had so many doubts and I would love to clarify all your doubts. So I am again here. I know I really took a very long time to make this second video because I was stuck with flying. I had Navratri in between and I had a lot of things aligned. So yeah, finally we are doing it again. So we'll be talking about all the doubts that you had, which you commented on the video. Though I have answered all your comments, so I wanted to make a detailed video on it so that you guys can understand it completely if you have such type of doubts. So yeah, we are here again. So let's begin with the video. So the first thing I'll be talking about is scars. So scars are not a problem until they are concealable. Scars which are non-concealable are a problem because you cannot conceal it. So for the scars which are very small and you can conceal it with the help of a color corrector followed by a full coverage concealer, so that will be concealed. If you have a very big scar or something like that, there are surgeries which helps you to remove them. Scars which are non-concealable are a problem for the interview. So if you have an interview align, you have a small or a scar which can be concealable, if you are going for the interview, please conceal it and go. Don't let it come in the eyes of the hirer so that it does not create any problem. And yes, so if you want me to suggest some good concealers, please drop me in the comment. I'll share you the link of the products which we use. Even I have a scar on my face. It will not be visible, so I have a line type of a scar over here and I don't have it this side. So yeah, that's okay. If you have it, you can conceal it, then you're good to go. I would suggest you to conceal it and go for the interview. You never know when you have your day. So yeah. Second is skin problems. So if you have a lot of acnes are not in our hands. They can come on any day, but make sure you know the best trick to cover it, to conceal it. So yeah, color corrector concealer, use a good concealer of your skin tone and you are good to go. Also, you can visit a good doctor if you have your interview next month. If you have acne, you can go start visiting. Comes to dark circles, so even dark circles are concealable, not a problem. Even I have so many dark circles, so that's fine. Tattoos are a problem if you have it on visible parts of your body like your hands, your legs, your neck area, this and all, which are visible. If you wear your uniform, your tattoos should not be visible. So just imagine yourself in uniform. Think about it that if you have tattoo here, it's not permittable. Even if you go to the website, they have clearly mentioned that no visible tattoos permitted. So yeah. So talking about round of interviews remains basic and it differs company to company. For me, it was group discussion, a round where 3-4 people are sitting together, 3-4 candidates, and they are talking. Then comes BMI and then personal interview round. Also, they'll check your skin with that light or something. This remains basic, but it differs company to company. Some people will take group discussion first, some people will take personal interview first. So it differs company to company. For me, it was this. The next one is medical round. Yes. On your interview day, they will take your BMI, they'll take your weight and height, and they'll check your BMI if you are under BMI or if you are in the perfect BMI or not. Also, after that you are selected, they will tell you to undergo a detailed medical round of your body. So in which they'll check your hemoglobin, they'll check your eyesight, your hearing skills, your teeth, your skin, your urine, your stool, everything will be checked. They'll check your eyesight and your hearing skills. They'll x-ray your body and they'll do whatnot. So followed by this, I had another question which was regarding the eyesight. If you have a very bad eyesight like me, that's not a problem. You can wear lenses and go for the interview. I will suggest you do not wear specs and go for the interview. Wear good quality lens and go. Make sure you are comfortable with lenses and then you're good to go. Any which ways, they're gonna check your eyesight later. They'll get to know that you have a poor eyesight, but they will suggest you in writing that you have to wear corrective lenses. Also, you can carry a pair of glasses along with you. So yeah, eyesight not a problem. Height criteria, so different airline have different height criteria. So for our company, for female it is 155 centimeter, minimum 155 centimeter, and for male it is 167.5 for the airline which I'm working with. So if you come under this height criteria, you are good to go. Your height should be proportionate to your weight. So as I have mentioned in my previous video as well, how to calculate your BMI, so you can calculate it at your home and then you can go for the interview, so that you don't get stuck as I got stuck. So yeah, you're good to go. The documents which you need to carry: Indian passport, you should have a valid Indian passport, PAN card and Aadhaar card. If you don't have a passport and you applied for it and you have that application number, that will also work, but make sure you get it before you go for your training, because they will ask for it. So the confusion regarding the mail, so they have changed many procedures these days, as I can see. If you have any doubt or something, you can revert back them with the mail, or you can revert them on the same mail on which you have sent your CV to them while applying. So they will, I'm sure they will clear your doubts. So the mail part was this. So these were the main doubts which I got, and if you have any other doubt regarding, or if I have not covered something, you can drop me in the comments. If you want me to make a detailed video on anything else, I am more than happy to help you guys. And despite of having any problems with you, I will suggest you to please go for the interview. Make sure you are confident enough, you can speak good, be precise, be firm in whatever you are speaking. If they ask about your skin or anything, just tell them. That's okay. Don't get panicked. Everything is okay. If you have bad eyesight, if you have lots of acne, anything you have, just go for the interview. You never know when you have your day and you get selected. And I really want you guys to go for the interview and get selected, because if I can, you guys definitely can. So this was about the video, and thank you so much again if you are still watching it, and I'll surely come back with another video. So yeah, till then, please take care, and I wish you all very best for your future interviews, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.